case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that may have far-reaching implications for the oil and gas industry, the Texas Courts of Appeals ruled in favor of non-participating royalty interest owners, the Merrimans, in their lawsuit against the lesser Dorothy London in a case known as London v. Merriman. The dispute traces back to the terms of an oil and gas lease, which allowed for the combination of royalties due to all participants if certain conditions were met. Alleging London had breached her duty to protect their royalty interest against drainage by another tract, the Merrimans successfully obtained a court-mandated pooling of their royalty interest with London's. In a twist, London challenged the Merrimans' ratification of this lease and the resultant pooling of royalty interests. She argued based on a clause in the lease that the Merrimans were only entitled to recover for production from the Western Tract. The court, however, saw differently. It ruled that London's own attempt to authorize the combination of the Merrimans' interest without their consent had, inadvertently, enabled the Merrimans to ratify the unauthorized act. Subsequently, the Merrimans were legally permitted to a proportionate share of royalty from production anywhere on the leasehold. From there, the court's denial of London's defensive issues, including arguments of delay, laches, waiver, and estoppel, effectively put to rest her challenges. The court also refused to consider her request over the memo of understanding as unsupported by evidence. With the affirmation of the initial judgment, the Merrimans were awarded $390,051.35 in owed royalty payments. This amount included both pre- and post-judgment interest on the royalty monies, a claim London had unsuccessfully contested. In one of the last turns of events, McCord's points of error were dismissed as non-influential to the final ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.